Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this special presentation on the economic policy reform of 1991. Today, we will take you back to a pivotal moment in history when a nation embarked on a transformative journey towards liberalization and globalization. Let's dive into and explore the key aspects of economic policy of 1991. The year is 1991 and our nation is facing an acute economic crisis. High inflation, low foreign exchange reserve and stagnant growth have pushed the country to the brink. The government realizes that drastic measures are necessary to revive the economy. So here are the key features of New Economic Policy 1991. In response to the crisis, the government introduces a comprehensive economic reform package known as the New Economic Policy of 1991. The policy aims to liberalize and modernize the economy, opening doors to foreign investment and dismantling bureaucratic barriers. Let us know what is liberalization. The first pillar of the economic policy focuses on liberalizing various sectors of the economy. The government reduces industrial licensing requirements, deregulates industries and promotes private sector participation. This shift empowers businesses to innovate, compete and contribute to economic growth. The second pillar of the policy embraces globalization. The government opens up the economy to international trade and reduces import tariffs. This move encourages competition, exposes domestic industries to international markets and leads to an influx of foreign capital and technology. To address the fiscal imbalances, the government implements stringent fiscal discipline measures. It reduces subsidies, rationalizes government expenditure and focuses on revenue generation. These steps aim to reduce the fiscal deficit and create a sustainable economic framework. Recognizing the importance of robust financial sector, the government undertakes financial reform. It liberalizes banking regulations, encourages competition among banks and strengthens regulatory bodies. These measures promote a healthier banking system, enhancing the availability of credit and foster investments. The economic policy of 1991 acknowledges the potential social impact of the reform. To mitigate adverse effects, the government introduces social safety nets and welfare programs for vulnerable sections of society. These initiatives ensured that the benefits of economic growth are distributed equitably. This way, the economic policy reform of 1991 yields significant results. In the years following the implementation, the country witnessed increased foreign investment, improved infrastructures, and a surge in economic growth. The policy became a landmark in the nation's economic history, setting the stage for future reforms and paving the way for its emergence as a global economic powerhouse. So, what can we conclude from this whole video? And there you have it, a glimpses into the economic policy reform of 1991. This bold and transformative step marked a turning point in our nation's economic trajectory, propelling us toward a path of prosperity and growth. The lessons learned from this period continue to guide our economic policies today, reminding us of the power of reform and adaptation in an ever-changing world.